The boat just died. Can everybody hear me in the back of the boat? Are you awake? I know it's early in the morning, but let's go. Welcome aboard, everyone. My name is Chris, and I'll be your guide as we cruise across the land into the future of agriculture. Our journey starts here with the seed, ready to be planted and nurtured by the land. Feeding the world depends on our ability to work with the land and turn today's seed into tomorrow's harvest. The land is our partner, and we should learn to listen to what it can teach us.
With north winds blowing all the seas, come with us.
Beautiful.
The rain will fall.
Long ago, people gathered food from wherever they could find it. Today's farmers...
Let's see the tropical rainforest.
Now, what challenges could we possibly face in the tropical rainforest? It seems to be exploding with life. Yet here, tremendous rain, humidity, and rugged terrain make crossing.
Big buffalo, no groundhogs.
People once asked that same question of our wild American prairie. The land here confronted settlers with unpredictable weather, brush fires, and swarms of locusts and other pests. But the land was there, vast and fertile. So with hard work, skill, and dedication, the prairies were transformed. Generations of family farmers worked with the land, and together they grew their boat and refrained from touching any of the plants. Thank you.
Then cocoa beans, coconut.
Cropslaying is critical if farming is to succeed. Here you can see coconuts intercropped with cacao. Intercropping is growing two or more different crops in the same area. This allows us to produce more food in less space. The tropics provide us with plenty of rainfall, sunshine, and mild temperatures year-round. This allows many crops such as sugarcane, bananas, and rice to thrive in the environment.
Yes.
Rice is one of 3 crops that make up almost 80% of the world's food. It's an excellent grain to grow here because it can grow well in many different terrains, such as flooded areas, mountainsides, and rocky terraces such as these. Another plant that grows well in the tropical conditions, such as the tilapia here on your right.
Paddlefish, look at the nose of
Coming up to the second tank on your left, you can see the paddlefish. This fish is a resident of the Mississippi River, and is also an excellent source of cultured caviar. For conservation, we recondition our water by removing waste and adding oxygen. This allows us to raise fish in all harshest of climates, even the sun-parched desert.
Yes, there are days when I feel downcast and get the mealtime blues. If I don't plan a proper meal, my menu will be bad news. All the mealtime blues can get you every time you die. But we all can beat that rat and end up feeling fine. So on those days when we feel downcast, I'll give you all some clues to work magic in our kitchen. Yeah, and chase away the mealtime blues. Now the timing's right, the show is prepared. Let me serve it on up to you.
Okay, Epcot, let's get cooking.
Thank you folks for coming to my kitchen as I sing the praise of good
some beauties at this our rendezvous. We all come from the dairy with moving words for you, with grace and ease. Here is Miss Cheese, a delightful array of curds.
Your taste buds I'll appease. I know how to please. It's known that I'm too good for words. Oh, isn't that right, big boy?
Oh, it certainly is. It's nice to flirt with Miss Yogurt, the love of many gourmets.
Your palate is assured and really quite cultured. Make a sour scene, okay, on each and every day.
But of course, often I dream of Miss Ice Cream, a beauty who's charming and sweet.
I'm cool through and through, and I've got a double scoop for you. To be with me, baby, it's such a tasty treat.
Now you have met my beauties, I think you will agree. These girls have such style and taste that's
caused him strife. Sent him his hat for a new slice of life. We're glad he kept his sound. A boogie woogie bakery boy, the toast of the town. Take it from the toast. Bread and cereals are the most.
As members of the meat group, we would like to sing this song.
And cook you up some ditties as we're singing right along.
That meals our act is very key.
We're chock full of protein.
The meat group can help you keep strong. Now we'll really beef up this act.
Speaking of meat, let's tell them what happened down at the chicken coop,
A hungry fox boldly walking through a hen house door.
Too bad for him. He got a head who stood at 6'4".
He won't forget the licking
He got from that big chicken.
now he gets his poultry from the store. By the way, Mr. A,
Yeah?
why was Chicken Little so upset the other day?
Well, his mother fell asleep in a hot tub, and his brother was born hard-boiled.
More joke like that, we'll get the hook.
Hook? Say, that reminds me. What about the fish story?
A school of fish grew tired of a bragging big mouth bass.
I get straight A's. Used to say, and so he would cut class.
Oh, he should have stayed in school.
A wine made him a fool. Now there's a test he did not pass.
Mr. Eggs, whatever happened to that tuna you used to work?
Oh, sad story. She got caught being fresh and was canned.
No, Mr. Eggs. You're the first egg I've ever seen lay an egg.
Oh, yeah?
Let's finish up before you get us in real trouble.
Yes, sir.
That meals our act is very keen.
We're chock full of high protein.
A meat group can help you keep strong.
Say, Mr. Ham, did I ever tell you about the time?
Hold it right there. One more crack out of you and this act is finished.
One more crack at me and the yoke's on you.
That does it. We're through. There's plenty of good protein acts for me to work with.
Oh, yeah? Like who?
Cheese. Cheese is a great source of protein.
Oh, I shudder to think about it.
Beans. Now that's good.
Beans? Oh, nuts to you, Hammy.
That's right. Nuts to me.
I simply have to tell you that my friends who are singing are delectable. Meals are divine as long as you keep them fruit and vegetables. They're good for you, everyone. They make your meals a lot of fun. Like a carnivore, it's nice to be with fruit and vegetables. And now, ladies and gentlemen, those fresh, ripe performers, the colander combo and the fiesta fruit.
There are no substitutes for being veggie fruit, veggie fruit. You see, a balanced meal always wins with our vitamins. A and C, fruit, veggie fruit.